Hi my loves, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Coarse. In case you're new here, hello there, thank you for dropping by. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to watch another video. You're the reason why I keep doing this and I am grateful. By the way, thank you very much for 800 subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you. Let's get to 1K here. So anyway, today's video is a length check. It's been quite some time since I did a length check, so without wasting much of the time, let's get straight in today's video. Okay, so the last time I did a length check here on YouTube, I think my hair was, I don't know, 17 centimeters, somewhere there, between 17, I think between 15 centimeters and 17 or 18 centimeters. I'm not sure. I will do an edit in the video once I go back and check. But yeah, it's been quite some time since I did a length check video. So yesterday I blow dried my hair after washing it and then trimmed it. So today we are ready for a length check. And don't look at it like this hair was blow dried. It was blow dried. It was blow dried, but then natural hair. Natural hair and shrinkage. So anyway, this is how my hair is looking after blow drying and trimming it yesterday. So yeah, we're just going to we're going to measure my hair using, I find it very easy for me to measure my hair with a ruler. It's a bit hard to measure using this. What is it called? Measuring tape is quite hard for me to use because it's not hard, but this one is easy for me to use because it's a ruler. So this is what I'm going to be using, and you know the drill. I'm going to measure this side of my hair, then I'm going to measure this side of my hair. So we're going to do a measurement at the back and this side, and then we're going to do on the sides, and then we're going to do on the front, and then we're going to do on the middle. So without wasting much of the time, let's get straight into this length check video. Okay, I don't want to ruin my ouch. I don't want to really ruin my hairstyle because yeah, and my hair is, I don't know if this length check will be accurate because it has really shrunk, but then I'll try my best. I think the best would have been if I did it yesterday, but then life happened. So I'll try my best to get measurements that are as accurate as possible. So we have inches and we have centimeters. I'm going to be using centimeters because my fellow Zambians are not good at inches. I know you. So I'm going to use, yeah, so we're starting from there. Okay. Oh, I'm looking at the mirror because it's easy for me to see what I'm doing through the mirror. So I don't know if you guys can see where my hair is ending, somewhere there. No, I have to do it again because my hair, it can't be at this length, it can't be this long. My hair can be this long. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see that. This is hard. Okay, but okay, there we see it. 29.5 on this side. That's the measurement I'm getting. It's a little bit above or beyond the 29.5 mark, but just to be safe, let's say 29.5. So on this side, My hair is measuring 29.5 centimeters. How did I miss this? How did I miss this? My hair from being 17 centimeters to 20. Like, how did I miss this? I know I haven't been doing a lot of length checks of them, but when did my hair grow to 29 centimeters? Okay. Anyway, let's check. Ouch. Ouch. Let's check this other side. The problem is that my hair has really shrunk, so it has cord around. Yeah, it has really cord around each strand, so it's quite hard for me to. Okay, let's check this side. We are just going to do, so make sure that this is standing straight, the ruler is standing straight to the scalp, and then we are just going to make sure that the hair is as straight. Ouch! The hair is as straight as possible on the ruler. I don't know if we can see that. My hair is a little bit longer than the. Oh, did you see that? No, I have. Guys. Okay. We start at the scalp, so I'm at the scalp, and then I'm just going to stretch my hair. I'm just going to stretch my hair for you guys. Can you see that? Can you see that? My hair. Okay, I'm not going to be emotional. I'm not going to be emotional. My hair is over 30 centimeters on this side. So I don't know if my hair grew a little bit longer than this side, or if yesterday when I was trimming it, I trimmed a little bit over than I was supposed to on this side. I don't know. I really don't know, but my hair is over 30 centimeters. I'm not going to cry. I'm not going to cry. I'm not going to cry. But guys, I told myself once my hair reaches 12 inches, I'm going to dance. One of the reasons why I've been growing my hair is because I want to rock my natural hair on my wedding day. It's funny, but I want to rock my natural hair on my wedding day. I had 3 big events of my life planned out to make sure that I wore my natural hair. That's my graduation. I already wore my hair on my graduation. I want to wear my hair on my wedding day. Guys, I want to wear my natural hair. So I need it to be a little bit longer because the styles that I want to do require my hair a little bit longer. Like, it required my hair to be around 10 to 12 inches. But just realizing that my hair has already reached 12 inches on this, you cannot understand the excitement that I feel right now. Like, you cannot. Okay. Let me go and scream and then I'll come back. Hello there. I'm a little bit calm now, so let's continue with this length check. So I'm just going to do the sides now. Ouch. Yeah, so we're going to do the sides of my hair to see how long it is. Again, I am using that 0. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Yeah, but I'm using the So remember, you place this on, excuse me, you place this on your scalp. Make sure that it's on your scalp, and then we are just going to stretch out our hair along the along the along along the ruler. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ugh. So it seems like my hair is 30 centimeters straight on this side, though yeah, it's going a little bit over, but let's just say 30 centimeters on this side. I am excited. Guys, I'm really happy. Just do I need to do this side? It will require me removing my pretty flower. Do I need? No. No, it's not worth. No, no. Next time, but for today, no. Let that flower remain there. Anyway, the front part, I'm going to regret this because the rest of my hair will remain sticking out, and then we'll do this part. The rest of my hair will remain sticking out. Ouch! After the whole measurement. So scalp. Okay. So the front section is also measuring. Okay, I think this would have been 31 if the ruler was a bit longer. I think this would have been 31 centimeters. I don't know if you can see that. But it's going a little bit over. It's going a little bit over the ruler. Whew, I'm tired. So what is remaining is the middle section of my hair. I don't know if you guys I don't know if you guys can see. There you go. Whew. Okay, 30. So I don't know if this side I did not measure it properly. Okay, let me just for the sake of my peace of mind, let me just try to remeasure this side, because it was telling me 29.5, but then I want to be sure. Still 29.5. So I think I overcut my hair on this side yesterday when I was doing a trim, but the rest of my hair is between 30, 30.5, 31, and some of it is going even to 32 centimeters. So that's the hair length check for today. My hair has really grown. My hair has really grown, and this brings so much joy to my heart because I have worked so hard. I have done the work. I have but yeah, I really have done the work, and it brings so much joy to my heart knowing that my work has paid off. It's still paying off. So what's happening to my nice pretty flower? Yeah, anyway, that's that about today's video. In case you have watched to this point and you are not yet subscribed, why aren't you yet subscribed? But yeah, anyway, if you're not yet subscribed up to this point, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video from the hair guru. It's bye until next time. Mwah.